Hi, Mrs. Product Reviews here, and I'm going to be doing a review today on the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and it's in the color called Viper. Now, it claims to be a waterproof and long-lasting, and I would say that it is long-lasting, it is waterproof. It is not smudge-proof, but it's still pretty good. So this is actually a color that I have bought over and over. It is one of my staples, and I will show you what it looks like. Now, I have green eyes, and so predictably, one of the things that I enjoy using is, it's the complement in the color wheel would be the purple or the plums that are around my green eyes. They create a beautiful contrast as well as they punctuate and make my green eyes stand out. But this is what this looks like on my skin tone. And let me see if you can see this. So it's got a slight iridescence without being a high frost. I haven't been able to do high frost since my mid-20s, late 20s, because then the frost would start to settle in the lines around the eyes and emphasize it, because the frost directs light. It scatters the light and emphasizes the surface that it's on. So if my surface of my eye is not smooth, then you're going to see every little wrinkle and an indentation, which is not my goal. But this color is quite lovely. Again, one of my staples. I live in this color. Let me see if I can smudge it so you can see it. There you go. So I'm just trying to see if I can get the light to scatter off of this so you can kind of start to see what it looks like in wearability. I think you can still see. So it is pretty true to the advertised color on the packaging. I have been pretty happy with the selection being representative of the product. And of course, predictably, whenever there is any frost at all in a formula, it is going to make the spreadability and the smudge proof a very hard guarantee. Just by the nature of the formulation, it's just impossible to make it 100% smudge proof if you're going to include a frost. It's just a formula hurdle that just, until there is a new technology or a new ingredient that fixes and solves this is the best we can do, which is still pretty darn good. I have found that when I apply this, whether I use a makeup fixative underneath, not so much a fixative as a primer, I guess that's the word I'm looking for. There we go, you can really see the color there. It improves the smudge proof response in it, but it when I first put it on, I can kind of use my finger or my brush and I can blend it, and then it just stays. And with the makeup base on, the makeup fixative on underneath, it does that even more strongly. So I've been overall, with and without a secondary product to help stabilize it and keep it long lasting, I have still been really happy with it. Both color, performance, and the ability for me to use this for various effects, because those of us who wear makeup, we know we like to blend it or use a hard line or a combination, and knowing the performance of our product and the medium that we're working in, we're able to create. We are our own walking art. So that's what makeup is for me, is my walking art, because I have needed something artful in my life with this coronavirus isolation. It's been very demoralizing, and makeup has become a mental health fix. So this is me having a good mental health day with my pretty eyeliner from Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color of Viper. I hope you have found this useful. If you do, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and for more information, look down below in the video description. Thank you for turning in, and Mrs. Product Reviews, over and out.